Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 12.3. In this exercise we will place the values of a variable. So question number 1, that if m is equal to given is 2, so that is first part m minus 1 is equal to, on the place of m we will place, that is a 2, this value, so 2 minus 2, so that is 0 answer. And then second part 3m is equal to 5, 3m is equal to 3m minus 5, so that 3 into 2 minus 5, so that is 3 2 is 6, and then minus 5 is equal to, that is 1. And then third part 9 minus 5m, so 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. And then fourth part, that is 3m square minus 2m minus 7, so that 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 7, square by the square, that 3 into by square 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4 minus 7, and then 3 4 is 12, and then that is a minus 11 is equal to 1. And then fifth part 5m upon 2 minus 4 is equal to 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4, 2 cancel by 2, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Second question, similarly, that is given 2, p is equal to minus 2 is given there, minus 2, so that first part 4p is equal to, 4p plus 7, so that 4 into minus 2 plus 7, so that is plus minus minus 4 to the 8 plus 7, so that is minus 1 answer. And then see the last part, second part done by yourself, minus 2p square minus 3p, that is a cube, and then that is square plus 4p plus 1, so that minus 2 multiply minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus p minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 1, so that minus 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8 minus 3 into 2 to the 4 minus plus minus minus 4 to the 8 plus 1, so that minus minus plus 8 to the 16 minus 3 4 to 12 minus 8 plus 1, so that these two in plus 17 minus 20, so that is minus 3 answer. And then third question, is given there, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, so that first part, that 2x minus 7, so that 2 into minus 1 minus 7, so plus minus minus 2 and 2 minus 7, both in minus, so that is minus 9. Then third part, x square plus 2x plus 1, so that minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1, so that plus 1 and then minus 2 by multiply, then plus 1, so that is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And then fourth part also see that, fourth part 2x square minus x minus 2, and then 2 into minus 1 square, and then minus 1 minus 2. So 2 into 1 minus plus 1 minus 2. So that 2 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. That is 1 answer. And then fourth question is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to, that is minus 2. So that first part is that a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So that here a value is 2, so that is 2 square, minus b value is minus 2, so that is minus 2 square. So that 2 2 is 4, minus plus 2 2 is 4, sorry, minus, that is by square, that is a 4, cancel, so that is 0. Second part, that a square, this is the third part, and then second part, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that a square is 2 plus 2 into 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 square. So that 2 2 is 4, only one time is minus in this series, so that minus 2 to 4 2 is 8, and that is plus 4. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, both are cancelled. And then fifth question is also similar, that everywhere in this exercise you will be place the values, either the 1 variable, either the 2 variable, either the 3 variable. Question 5 is equal to 0, and then b is equal to minus 1. So that first part is that 2a plus 2b, 2a plus 2b. So that 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1, 2 0 is 0, and then plus minus 2 1 is 2. So that is final answer is minus 2. And then third part, second part, you can do 2a square b and then plus 2ab square plus ab. So that 2 into 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1. So that if anywhere has come in multiply, that is 0, so everybody will be 0, everything will be 0. So this is 0, and here also 0, so 0, so that is, here is also 0, so that is also 0. So answer is 0. Fourth part, a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus 2. So that a square is 0 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 plus 2. So that is 0. By this 0, this will be also 0. So that is 2. So that 2 is final answer, because 0 can't be add or can't be subtract. Sixth question also same that, but written like this. Similarly, write this, you can write first part, x plus 7 plus 4 bracket x minus 5. So where is the x you are looking, you will place the 2. So 2 plus 7 plus 4 bracket 2 minus 5. So that 2 plus 7 9 plus 4 into minus 3. So that 9 minus 4 3 is 12. So that 12 less 3 minus 12 less 9 minus 3. And then second part 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So that 2 plus 2 plus 5 into 2 minus 7. So 3 into 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5 2 ja 10 minus 7. So 3 4 ja 12 and then 10 less 7 3. So that is 15 answer. And then third part you can do. See the fourth part 4 2x minus 1 and then plus 3x plus 11. 3x plus 11. So that 4 bracket 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 11. The 4 bracket 2 2 ja 4 minus 1 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 11. So that 4 into 3 plus 6 11 17. So that 4 3 ja 12 plus 17. So that 7 to 9 29 is answer. Question number 7. Simplify these equation and find their value if x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, y is equal to a is equal to, that is minus 1, b is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 2. So first of all we will simplify that one. So first one is that 3x minus 5 is equal to minus x plus 9. So that 3x less 1x, that is a 2x, and then plus 4, 9 less 5 4, and then we will place the value. That is only x is here, so 2 into 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 3 is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Second part 2. Second part you can do, that is no problem. Third part, see that third part 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1 so that 5 1 6 minus 8 less 3 5a. So that is 6 minus 5 into minus 1. A value is that. So 6 minus plus 5 1 ja 5 is equal to 11. And then see the last part, fifth part. Other part you can do 2a minus 2b and then minus 4 plus 5 plus a. So 2 1 3a minus 2b plus 1, 5 plus 4 1, and then 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So plus minus 3 and then minus plus 4 plus 1. So that minus 3 plus 5 is equal to, that is 2 answer. And then seventh question is done. And then the eighth question, first part, that is z value is given there. So z cube z cube minus 3z minus 10, z minus 10. So that z value is given here 10. 10 cube minus 3 bracket 10 minus 10. So that 10 cube means 1000 minus, if you will be right, multiply 10 in 10 3 times. So 3 into that is 0. 10 less 10 0. So that is 1000. Answer. Second part of that one. Second part, p is equal to minus 10 is given there. So that is p square minus 2p minus 100. So that minus 10 square minus 2 into that is minus 10 then minus 100. So that is 100 minus minus plus 20 minus 100. That minus 100 cancel by plus minus, that is a 20 answer. What should be value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5? So that ninth question, that is 2x square plus x minus a is equal to, that is 5 is given there. So x value is also given there 0. So that 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So that is 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 can't be add or subtract. So minus a is equal to 5. So that will be a is equal to, this minus goes that side, so that will be a is equal to minus 5. And then 10th question. Simplify the expression, find the value. Simplify the first of that one. This is the 2 bracket a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So that 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. And then 2a square, these two are like terms, so that will be ab. 2 less 1 plus 3. Now we will place the value. A value is 5. So 2 into 5 square and then plus 5 into b value is minus, that is minus 3. Minus 3, so plus 3. So 2 into 5 5 is 25 minus 5 3 is 15 plus 3. So that 50 and then that will be minus 12. Minus 12 by the subtraction of these two. So that is a 38. 50 less 12, 38. And then exercise, next exercise 12.4. So that 12.4 is there given. Observe the pattern and then find the values of that one, right? So that we are observing the pattern 6 and then double 6s has triple 6, and same thing is here also, that one single 4, double 4, triple 4. 8 is also here like this same, and pattern is also given 5n plus 1, 5n plus 1. So that first question is pattern is 5n plus 1, 5n plus 1. So that will be, and then given is there in last line how many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digit. So that 5 into 5 is plus 1 is equal to 25 plus 1, 26. And then second is 5n plus 1, that is given 100, or sorry 10. So 5 into 10 plus 1, that is a 50 plus 1, 51. And then given is 100. So that 5 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 501. 501. That is a pattern. And then B part pattern is 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. So first of all we will place 5 plus 1. 15 plus 1, 16. And then we will place the 10. So the 10 plus 1, that is 30 and 1, 31. And then again we will place the 100. So 3 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 301. C part is, well, 5n plus 2. 5n plus 2. So first of all we place the 5. 5 plus 2, that is a 25 plus 2, 27. And then again 5n plus 2. Now that 100, oh sorry 10. 50 plus 2, 52. And then 5n plus 2. Now that will be placed 100. 5 into 100 plus 2, that is 502. 502. We can check the values of also that one. 12.4, that is a 12.4. Yes, 20, that is, yes, 26, 51, 501, 30, 16, 31. Yes, write it that values. Yes, next, last question of this video. Last question that is given. Many more value we will find here. That pattern is there given 2. So first part is there given 2n minus 1 is equal to, that will be 2n minus 1. So that will be 19th place and 100th place. So that will be 2 into 19 minus 1. So that is 19 to the 38 minus 1 is equal to, that is 37. That will be 19th place. And then 100th place also we will find that 2n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 100 minus 1, that is 200 minus 1 is equal to, that is 199. Many more places are here, you can find that. And then similarly second part, that 3n plus 2, 3n plus 2. So that we will find that only 5th place, 10th place and 100th place. 5th place, 10th place and 100th place. Just a minute here. I was finding here that one 10th place. So 10 to the 20. And then that will be 19. That is a 19. Right? And then second question, 5th place, 10th place and 100th place. So that 3 into 5 plus 2, that is a 5 to 15 to 17. And then 100th place, 3n plus 2. So 10th place, 3 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 32. 32. And then we will find the 100th place. So 3n plus 2 is equal to 3 into 100 plus 2. So that is 300 plus 2. 302. Similarly, you can find that third part also. And then here no need to find that. Already find in that box 19 is already here. Third part, 4n plus 1. 4n plus 1. So that here also we will find the 5th place, 10th place and 100th place. So fifth place, 4 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 21. 4n plus 1 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 41. And then 4n plus 1 is equal to 4 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 401. Write it that answers. And then fourth part, 7n plus 20. Here also we will find that 7 into 5 plus 20. So that 7 5 ja 25. Oh sorry, 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 2, 20 is equal to 55. And then 7n plus 2, 20, that is the 100th place. 7 into 10 plus 20, sorry, 10th place is there. 70, 80, 90. And then 100th place. So that 7n plus 20 is equal to 7 into 100 plus 20. So that 720. And then fifth part, last part, n square plus 1. So that 5, fifth place and 10th place. 5 square plus 1. So that is 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. And then 10th place, n square plus 1 is equal to, that is 10 square plus 1 is equal to 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. And then already as that is given, 100th place is already given, and you can find the much more places also in that question. Okay.